I want to talk to you today about an important concept which is called ideas. Ideas is an important concept to understand because ideas is the product of any political party. It is because the other party have no ideas why they want to change politics to a politics of shoes and clocks and dub plate and money because they have no ideas. So obvious it is that they have no ideas, that the PMP's manifesto is required reading for every labor right sitting in the Jamaica Labour Party offices. But comrades, let me mash down the lie, because the JLP cannot steal the PMP ideas, because they don't understand ideas worse the People's National Party ideas. Comrade Golden, a problem we have is that we have small minds trying to fix big problems. And therefore, when I say ideas, they take a concept and think that's the ideas. When we said paternity leave, is because we recognize a social problem in this country. Time has come for the unit of family to be returned to one man and one woman in a household, ensuring that the child have full support. The time has come. Comrades, in the world, 7% of the children only have one parent. In Jamaica, 47% of our children only have one parent. When a child have one parent, they lose the support of over 30 people. Because if the father not there, then the grandmother and the grandfather is also not there. Then the auntie and the uncle is also not there. Then the father friend is also not there. 47% of our children have 30 less people in support. So when we say paternity leave, it was to make the father recognize from the start that he has a duty and a responsibility to a better country by making sure there is a better family. I can't see, I cannot understand how a man can support a party but not support him children. If you don't support your child, you should have out of support. So if you're saying that you are a PNP, you must ensure that your child receives your presence and your support. Comrades, when we said paternity leave, we recognized that the children with one parent were the ones most likely to have malnutrition. The children with one parent were the ones most likely to get into gangs. The children with one parent were the ones least likely to get success in school. So we never promote paternity leave for 10% of our society. Because it was not a way to pay you less. It was a way to change our society. They don't want you to learn that because they want people to clean them toilet. They don't want you to understand this because they want people to bathe them dog. The People's National Party is about freedom, and the freedom starts in the home and the family. We are not the same. They say they stole our ideas when we said rent to buy. When we proposed it, it was a joke. Because they don't know the 4 hurdles of an idea. Then all of a sudden, the Prime Minister now is putting up rent to buy every single day, but he doesn't understand what rent to buy is. We knew that there were some people that don't have a pay slip. We knew that those who keep dance and make a money don't have a pay slip to go to bank. We knew that those who are sell downtown don't have a pay slip to go to bank. We knew that some of the people who hustle and struggle every day in the streets could not get a mortgage without a pay slip. So we said, allow them to prove that they can manage the mortgage by by paying 6 months of rent. And if you can pay 6 months of 80,000, it must be equal to 3 months pay slip of 80,000. They take it now and say you rent for 6 years. Comrades, if it's one thing I know about Mark Golding, is that he's a very powerful man. Is that he's a strong man. And when we sat and reasoned, I said to Comrade Golding, if you want equality for women, you had to do paternity leave for men. In a country with small business, the business start to see our women as a risk to employ, because if she's pregnant, she would have to be replaced by somebody else. The only way you can make a man and woman equal in employment is if the man was of equal risk to the small business with 3 and 4 people. We are big minds. We are big minds. So stop being led astray, being told that we have no solution for this country, being told that we have no answers. I am committing my full support. The time has come for the politics to return to thinking. The time has come for the politics to return to policies. The time has come, because we're not going to sing juke them with the quarter rum. We're not going to sing juke them with the 5 grand. We're not going to sing juke them with the plyboard and the zinc fence. We are going to juke them with policies for their children and their family. The time has come that we remember that is power for your children and power for your parents and power for the people.